share a story in ABCD model by Lincoln Story Method. One day, a young storyteller named Rito said, "Let's go up the hill and explore nature." On the way, she saw some little mice being troubled by big elephants. Rito spoke kindly and helped them to become friends. And she explained about the balance of nature and how every animal is important. Suddenly, a baby elephant slipped near a river. The mice quickly helped by calling others to help. Rito said that there is a will, there is a way. Soon, all of the animals worked and helped together and formed an unexpected bond of friendship. Thank you, love you all.
Next one, Abraham is